Eyes on the Big Apple as the Manhattan jury in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial prepares to start the second day of deliberations.
But before Trump's fate can be decided, the jurors have a growing list of questions they need help sorting through. Rebecca Castor is live in New York with the latest. Good morning, Rebecca.
Brooke, Bob, good morning. The jurors will be back here in court in 2 hours for their second day of deliberations. But as you mentioned, there are several things they want to go over again with the judge first.
These charges are rigged.
Former President Donald Trump maintaining his innocence as the jury in his criminal hush money trial starts the second day of deliberations.
How in the world is the jury retaining all of this information?
On Wednesday, the jury talked for nearly 5 hours. But before they can resume Thursday, the 12 members asked to rehear testimony from 2 witnesses. Former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen and former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker regarding a 2015 meeting at Trump Tower with the former president.
Pecker says he pledged to look for negative stories about Donald Trump so that they could be suppressed. Prosecutors say that was the crux of the alleged hush money scheme.
Trump is charged with 34 counts of falsifying business records to hide an alleged payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 presidential election. Prosecutors say Daniels was paid to keep quiet about an affair with Trump, which he denies. And they claim Trump violated a New York election law, which makes it illegal to, quote, promote or prevent the election of any person to a public office by unlawful means.
It'll be talked about in the history books.
The jury is also asking to rehear Judge Juan Merchan's instructions about how they're to go about reaching a verdict.
I am glad, though, that they're being diligent.
Deliberations, of course, could take hours, days, or even weeks. All 12 jurors must agree for the verdict to be accepted. Brooke, Bob.
And what was the former president's reaction to all of this yesterday? Developments that jury wanted to hear more of the testimony and wanted to hear more about the instructions.
So consistently yesterday, Trump does not sound optimistic. He said earlier in the day that even Mother Teresa couldn't beat these charges. And he also said that if he had a fair judge, that this case would have been over a long time ago.
All right. Watching things very closely there in Lower Manhattan. Rebecca Castor, we appreciate it. Thank you.